Welcome back, everybody. Yes, we're getting ready to do a blackout video. All right, so we're going to see what's going on with the masculine and the karmic. Let's see what's what. All right, so yeah, this is a blackout read. It's what's done in the dark. It comes to the light. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with this masculine and the karmic. Y'all be sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new. For everybody who's been rocking with me before today, thank y'all so much for the love and support. Be sure to like and comment below if this message resonates with you, okay? So let's see what's going on with the masculine and the karmic. Oh, wow. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. This masculine and this karmic, they feel as if they are a family unit. The masculine feels stuck, though. He feels, we got family, return, and stuck. And at the bottom of the deck, we got separation. I feel like this, I'm definitely picking up that this masculine tried to replace or tried to go off and start a whole nother family while he was separated from divine feminine. I do want to see why return is here. New direction. I'm hearing there's no turning back now. Because we got the answer is yes and mask and refocus, fear. I feel like this masculine wants to return, but feelings of being stuck. I feel like he went off and started a whole nother family. Tell me why family is here. Nostalgia. Yeah, see. It looks like this masculine wants to return to someone from his past that he had a family with previously, but he can't. He's taking a whole new direction. And I feel like he is feeling stuck. He's stuck in a situation that he can't easily wiggle out of. He cannot easily wiggle himself out of it this time. Unawakened. I don't think this masculine understood the destruction that this was going to cause until the damage was already done. I don't think this masculine thought about the consequences of this action until it was already done. I feel like he wants a fresh start with divine feminine. He admires the divine feminine. We got divine feminine and admire. This masculine admires the hell out of the divine feminine, but deception was involved. We got deception here. He deceived the divine feminine, and he didn't think about the consequences of his actions until it was too late and the deed and the actions were already done. I feel like at the time, he felt like, no, I'm not going to regret this. I'm not going to regret this. I'll just settle down somewhere else. You two may have been going through a separation because we got separation right here. And this masculine has been wearing a mask the whole time. Tell me more. Wow, karmic partner came right out. This karmic, we got shadow work and separation. Somebody did some separation work to, somebody did some spell work, could definitely be involved. That caused the separation. The karmic partner could have did it. We got karmic partner, shadow work, and separation. And then we also have vibrations here. So some spell work could have been involved, okay? She could have paid for some spell work to be done, or she may know how to do some spell work. But this karmic got in between this connection and caused the masculine to take a new direction, okay? But I'm picking up spell work. Yep, and now this masculine feels like he has to refocus. And it's not because he wants to, it's out of fear. Okay, so he feels like he has to devote himself to what he has going on with the karmic and what's in front of him right now out of fear. It's not out of love. It's not out of this is really what I want to do. It's out of fear. Yep, divine timing is gonna step in. Okay, there's a lesson that needs to be learned. This masculine has some lessons that he needs to learn when dealing with third parties. Okay. Look at this. This says, well, y'all can't look at this. It's a blackout. But listen, we got shadow work, separation, and victim. Somebody did some work here. The working could have been to place the karmic, to try to replace the divine feminine with the karmic, okay, during a separation, and to play victim afterwards. Divine timing is going to, the only thing that anybody who's dating this masculine can do is just let time deal with this. Let time deal with this situation. Don't try to jump in the midst of this, because there is definitely some other workings that is behind this connection and why it is moving the way it is. This masculine already feels stuck. Yeah, see, this masculine is afraid. He doesn't even look at this destruction. An observer and guide. Look at this, divine feminine. Conclusion and solitude. He was told that he had to stay away from divine feminine. He was told to keep away from divine feminine. This karmic could have told him that he would hurt or do something to divine feminine if he was to return to her. So there is some type of fear. And he had to make some type of compromise. Compromise is here. Bound. Listen when I tell you, this karmic did some binding work, some separation and binding work. And was told, this masculine was told if he was to return or to continue to deal with divine feminine, things would go down. Things could happen. So this masculine got some lessons. He's going to end up learning some type of lesson. We got lessons and received. Awakening. This masculine, divine timing is going to have to handle this situation. This masculine feels like he's at a crossroad when dealing with this situation because he does not feel like this is his soulmate. And he's feeling like he should have thought about it and had a little bit more patience, because now he's having regrets because he can't be with his twin flame. He abandoned his one true love. And I'm picking up mute. We got mute here, so there's no communication. And he can't take action towards you right now. And he's been numbing himself. This masculine is not happy in the situation. He feels very stuck. Okay, he feels stuck and he's afraid to make any wrong move. Get a little bit of tarot. Let's see what's going on. How does this masculine feel about this karmic? Okay, we got the Five of Swords and the Death and the Ace of Swords. He feels defeated for one, because he can't speak his truth. Okay, he does not feel like he can speak his truth. He wants to leave. This could be a King of Pentacles here, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. This masculine wants to leave. Knight of Cups, Eight of Cups. But he's afraid to speak his truth. He feels defeated. Okay, the World, Two of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. He wants to end this connection. He wants to start fresh somewhere else. But also a thing here is he's feeling that he'll be looked at as being childish or inconsistent, and it doesn't make him feel or look masculine or the man that he wants to be portrayed as. Okay, so he feels defeated. He feels very defeated. And I also see as well that he hasn't been putting in that much effort lately, and things have been very inconsistent. I see him also being bored with the connection. I'm also seeing, for some and not for all, this is for some, I do see like a contract being broken, a divorce. I'm picking up divorce papers, something to move this connection forward. Okay, so this could be what is blocking, or this is the way to keep control over the karmic, is by saying, look, I can go back here. I have something else going on back here. I have unfinished business. But this could be what's blocking him from moving, completely forward. This is his way to keep control. This masculine just wants to do something that makes him look good. Something that he could be proud of. But I feel like it has turned into maybe like a competition. He feels like it's turned into a competition. He's afraid to speak his truth. He's afraid to speak out. So what this masculine does is he goes off and he goes and mingles. He goes off and he mingles. Yep. He runs off and he mingles. And he waits till she misses him. We got the Empress and the Moon. Definitely giving me side piece energy. Okay, definitely giving me side piece energy. And also she has this insecurities of why she feels like she's not enough. The masculine could be comparing her to divine feminine, or she's comparing herself to divine feminine. I feel like the ultimate decision is going to be made sooner than later. Okay, we got the Judgment here with the Two of Wands and the Six of Cups. So this masculine is deciding to revisit something from his past. Okay, yep, a lover from the past. We got the Lovers. Okay, so yeah, he's been holding back. He's been holding back anyways, and he's been holding on to someone from his past. Okay, so he's revisiting his past. Yep, he's going back to his player ways with that King of Wands energy. Okay, he's going back. She thinks that she has him tied up, but she ain't seen nothing yet. She ain't seen nothing yet. This masculine is getting ready to change his mind. And he's getting ready to run off. He's getting ready to try. He's finding a way to advice. We're looking for an exit. So that's what I got, guys. Y'all let me know what's going on in the comment section below. All right. Talk to y'all later. Ciao.